What are you looking at the moment as your stock pick?
Yes, I'm going to go with one of our big companies that's called Remgro. Everyone talks about South African companies, South African Inc. companies. Well, here's a great holding company that's got some really good assets, holding pretty well, and it's involved in different industries, from health, in terms of Mediclinic, consumer goods, you're getting Distill, RCL Foods, Rainbow, Heineken, financial services, you're getting a big chunk of insurance, as well as some shareholding in Discovery and a little bit of First Rand. And then interestingly, and also a big opportunity, is the infrastructure play, that's telecoms, where they own Dark Fiber Africa and Vumatel and Seacom. And then there's also the industrial business, Air Products SA, Total Energies. So it's a great business. They came out with really good full year numbers for June, where earnings are up 38%. The interims are for December, due next month. I mean, if they can grow, or if they have grown at a similar rate, which I suspect that they have, then it's probably still cheaply priced. It's like I mentioned, 100 billion market cap, trading on a multiple of around about 12.7 or 13. If they can produce the same kind of growth in this economy with their investments or investment companies as they have in the last financial year, their PE could drop to 11, 10 times based on earnings growth of 38%. I don't know if that's doable, but I think it could be.
Yeah, something to watch anyway. Rowan, your stock pick?
Yeah, so we're also going with another large investment holding company listed on the JSE, in this case, Prosus. So you could choose Naspers or Prosus, I guess. What we have seen is some of these global tech stocks sell off quite significantly this year, just around concerns about valuation and also the impact that AI is going to have on their business models in the medium term. But I think what you are going to see is winners and losers, and we believe Prosus, through their various investments, mainly Tencent and the food delivery and the e-commerce assets, is going to be on the winning side. And I think it's been unfairly sort of priced down when Tencent's executing incredibly well, still a global leader in gaming, and the new leadership team at Prosus doing an incredible job of extracting value from that portfolio. So we see in the medium term that discount either being reduced significantly or ultimately eliminated, and you're getting strong underlying growth in the operation. So, and a nice entry point at this point.
Both great stock picks, Remgro and Prosus. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us on Stockwatch this evening. Really do appreciate you taking the time. Thank you so much. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guest, Rowan Williams, also from Nitrogen Fund Managers, and along with Jonathan Fisher from PSG Wealth Sandton Grayston. Up next, the close.